Stuffed grilled squid. Oh, this is so good. This is so common in the Philippines. We usually stuff it with tomatoes and onions, but this has a hint of Jamaican style, as I did. Why you say that? Well, here you can see we added green tomatoes. Oh yeah, it's gonna be more fruity and also good. See that? Those are the yellowish green are green tomatoes. Perfect. This gives it a good fruity kick, a tangy flavor. It's just awesome. This is a must try, you guys. This is so simple with just tomatoes, onion, and garlic. Of course, green mango. Start. Here's some tomatoes, one small onion that we diced up, and garlic. Here's the big squid. Yes, and let's start. You can actually use a regular squid or smaller squid. So you just gotta marinate it on the outside. You won't be able to stuff it, but this is okay. Here we start chopping the green mangoes. We chop it into small cubes or small squares, just like the tomatoes. So when you stuff it, they're all the same texture, the same size. Gonna be all so good. And the trick here, the leftover, we're not going to be able to use all of it into the squid. So the leftover, you add some soy sauce and chili, and that's going to be your dipping sauce. That's going to be also perfect. Here you go. Just slice it like that. Ate Vicky is doing that for us. Here with some crushed black pepper, some lemon. We actually diced up a small slice of lemon to make it all, citrusy good. Okay, now mixing it well before we can stuff it onto the big squid. Okay, now it's all ready. Oh yeah. You're gonna stuff it inside each spoon. Yes. Because when you grill this, it's not gonna take longer than 30 minutes. So this on the inside is gonna be cooking really good, giving it all the good flavors. This is gonna be oh so awesome. Of course, you can opt to wrap it in tin foil, but this time we're not gonna do that. You can actually do that and cook it a bit longer. But here is the leftover. You're gonna put some soy sauce on that. Here the squid all stuffed up and all bulky. The mango we just used 1/4 of it. Yep. So this one we're gonna grill it. It's not gonna take longer than 30 minutes. So we preheat the grill over here. Let's check. There you go. And now, of course, after 30 minutes, here it is. Look at that. Oh, so good. It's all already oozing flavors. Yes. Oh, man. This is going to be awesome lunch. Yes, look. It's all stuffed up inside. So good. All right. Let's move it onto a plate and slice it up and show you guys the cross section. Here, we're going to slice it up. Let's go, Ate Vicky. Yeah. Ooh, look at those stuffing there. Oh, yeah. There you go. Let's show you the cross section. Oh, look at that. So good. Oh, yeah, sorry. I think is getting confused. I was trying to tell her to let's show the cross section. She's getting confused. Let me turn it. There you go. Look at that, just perfect. And the leftover mango sliced tomato and onions has some soy sauce. That's a good dipping sauce. This is a must try. It's so simple. I'm pretty sure you guys in the Philippines already do this, but with regular tomatoes and onion. Why not add a piece of mango or 1/4 mango, right? It gives it that more tropical, more Jamaican touch to it. It's a good cake. It's perfect for lunch or on a beach trip or even for beers and Emperador brandy. This is so awesome. You can see that all the good flavors are there. Very tropical. Yes, this I can't get enough of. So you guys gotta try this. You're gonna enjoy it. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yeah.